There are 4 things that if you communicate them to your clients and your niche, you will create trust in your business and in yourself. And these 4 hidden things that you are not telling your audience are entirely to blame for that lack of trust in your business. I've had sales calls with clients who, during the meeting, seemed excited about what I was telling them we could achieve together for their business. They were enthusiastic. They were convinced it was something they really wanted to do. But I found that there were 2 very important questions that caused me to lose clients who had been very excited about what we could do together. Those 2 questions they couldn't get out of their heads were, who is this guy? And can he really give me the results he is talking about? Your customers are thinking about these 2 questions for one reason. They don't trust you. And why would they? To solve this, you have to promote with your business 4 things that you know but that you keep hidden, and that cause the distrust of those customers who are interested in buying from you. The first thing you need to tell people whatever you do with your business is what you do. Perfect it, refine it, make it impactful. But you don't want to get stuck in I am a business coach. After they know what you do, I am a business coach, people stop being interested in what you do and become interested in the value proposition for them if they buy from you. So once you have promoted what you do, you need to promote who you do it for. People need to understand who your target customer is. You attract what you promote, and you promote what you think about. That's why it is important to keep in mind what type of customer you want to do business with. We all have that one person that we do business with or have done business with and have loved doing business with. You need to attract that to your business, and you need to promote who that ideal customer is, not necessarily by describing that customer, which you can do as well. But if you talk about what that person is interested in because you were thinking about them, their problems, and how to solve them for them, and you promote that to the world, you will reach those people, you will attract them to your business, and they will feel that you are committed to helping them. Knowing what you do and who you do it for is not enough to gain a person's trust. What will make people feel a deep personal connection with you and your business is why do you do it? Why are you passionate about what you do? Sharing your story and why you have the passion you have about why you do what you do connects you emotionally with your customer and your community. And the 4th thing you have to promote is your value proposition. Promoting your value proposition means articulating the impact that your customer should expect to get from doing business with you. Your value proposition is your promise that if people do business with you, you are going to do something unique, you are going to do something special, you are going to do something valuable for them that differentiates you from your competition. And you can put a price on that. It is going to become something with much greater meaning than the price, and it has to produce an impact on potential customers' lives. Now you know it, and you can start applying it. But if you have never done it before, or you are struggling with people's trust, you can benefit from me personally helping you create this strategy for your business and guiding you on how to apply it too. Correctly describe what you do. Promote who you do it for through their topics of interest. Tell the emotional story of why you do it, and describe exactly what they are going to get to change their lives and their results by doing business with you. Click on the link in the description for having me as your personal one-on-one business coach, helping you get this done to attract and gain trust of that client you want to do business with. The goal of promoting all of this is to get more customers and make your sales easier even before the customer talks to you or your salespeople. Because when you constantly communicate these 4 things that I have told you and that you keep secret, the people who approach you on your business already know exactly why they are approaching you. They are mentally prepared to do business with you even before they meet you. You want to build this momentum, right? Contact me so I can help you apply it now to your business. Let's do it.